Okay, so normally I only tour hotels, but this place is pretty cool. This is a condo at a place called the Commodore. It's, I guess, just a condo association. This is a VRBO, room 1108. Keypad entrance, I won't show the entrance code, although I think it does change. There we go. So when you come in the door, got a privacy lock, but this thing doesn't have a deadbolt. It's a Commodore lock, and I'm not sure what type exactly. I've never seen that type before. I think that's an outdoor light, but I'm not 100% sure. So when you come in, first thing on the left is the initial bedroom, which is decently spacious. Has a little ceiling fan light, which is currently off. If you pull a little dolphin, it'll turn on. Got windows out into this is the walkway. Walkways are a little narrow for someone who's afraid of heights, but they're not bad. Looks like we got a little plug-in air conditioner here. That comes with the unit. They give you a vacuum, iron board. Kind of similar to like a little hotel room or hotel suite, I guess you could say. Oh, and this, I'm sorry for the erratic movement. This does have a light. Decent closet space for just in a condo. Got a bathroom, which is also accessible through the hallway we were just at. Comes with your little hotel style towel setup, toilet, and a shower. Nice. And I think that other little, yeah, that's the fan and shower light that turns on from there. It's kind of tight to do this tour. I think this is just utility. Yeah, there's your utilities. So no real reason to go in there. Comes with some pool noodles, a dustpan, a broom, plunger, various cleaning chemicals, and light bulbs. So you have basically everything you need. There's a thermostat, newer type. I want to say the light in here is it's an old fluorescent tube. It's pretty cool though. I mean, I don't see those much anymore. I guess a lot of people don't like them, but I always find them kind of neat. Nice oven here, very clean glass, and inside too. Microwave, Frigidaire Gallery series. Nice. Check out our washer dryer combo. Those condiments are ours. They didn't bring those. Little ice maker. I think the baking soda was there though. Another little window and cabinet, complete with fire extinguisher and a couple other things. Trash can, laundry stuff here. Look inside those. I do believe both of these are pretty cleaned out as well. Yeah, they're very nice. I think these cabinets are just, yeah, and the cabinets in the kitchen too. Those ones are empty, but like the kitchen ones here come with some supplies for various things, such as cups. You got a couple coffee makers. You got a regular and a Keurig, which is nice of them. Sure, there's, yeah, some soaps and stuff down here. And I'm not sure how much of this is stuff left by other people versus stuff that they actually supplied. I'd imagine the owner supplied like the silverware and stuff. It all looks very nice. Paper towels, some dish soaps. So, on this side, if you go into the main area, got a glass dining table and a seating area for the living room. Cool little ceiling fan. So, and here's your TV. Has a Blu-ray player up there too. Got a master bedroom here. This unit comes with TVs in every bedroom. King size bed, which to me looks gigantic because I live in a room that could never fit that. Bathrooms are very nice. Not gonna flush everything here because it's not really necessary. Got a regular bathtub here. And fancy shower head. A little low in the ceilings, but nothing the building, nothing the owners of the apartment can really do about that. I think it's for the ventilation system. It's probably up in there. Got another closet in here, which has a few of my family's things, but otherwise is really similar to the other one. Both units have entrance onto the patio, which is where everybody's sitting right now, so I'm going to have to kick them out, and we'll be right back after that happens. Okay, now we're outside. Outside comes with a table, chairs, very gracious amount of space. You could probably fit like 10 people on here. I'm not really counting the chairs. If I do count the chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Got a really nice view. I hate holding my phone off the edge, but I'll try to give you a good view of the surrounding area down there. And here is our sunset. We're kind of facing a little bit south-west, I think. But yeah, that's this unit overall. I would walk back in, and usually I end it there, but everybody's in there. So in this case, it'll be a